Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're grinding through this wild crypto market like I am, today's deep dive into the XRP USD chart is gonna hit different. We're talking real-time action from November 11th, 2025, right here on Binance, where XRP's clocking in at $2.447 after a gritty 3.59% dip over the last 24 hours. But hold up, don't hit that sell button yet. This isn't just some random bleed. It's a classic setup that's got my radar pinging for a monster rebound. We're zooming into this beast of a chart, breaking down the vibes without drowning you in jargon. And yeah, I'll drop my no BS price targets for the short and long haul. If you're new here, smash that like button and subscribe. We're building a community of smart money moves. Let's roll. Picture this, the main candlestick panel is your battlefield, showing XRP's price dance over the last day. From a high of $2.5808 to scraping lows around $2.326. Those red candles dominating the right side. Yeah, that's the recent selling pressure kicking in. Like the market's catching its breath after a hype-fueled sprint. Volume spiked to 155.37 million XRP traded. That's $392.71 million in USD terms, which tells me institutions and whales are lurking. Not panicking, it's not a dead cat bounce. It's accumulation disguised as fear. Overlay that with the EMAs, your exponential moving averages acting like trend guardians. The 7-period EMA at $2.4714 is hugging the price like a lifeline, while the 25-period at $2.4069 and 50-period at $2.3871 are starting to flatten out below it. That's bullish whisper. XRP's refusing to crater below these supports, hinting at buyers stepping in quietly. And check the 100-period EMA at $2.4152. It's coiling like a spring, ready to launch if we poke above $2.50. Zoom out to the bigger picture, and you've got Bollinger Bands squeezing tight around $2.1556 lower, and $2.4047 upper. With the SAR stop and reverse, dot chilling at $2.0704, way below price action. This compression, it's volatility's evil twin, a breakout's brewing. Folks, couple that with the MACD histogram in the sub-panel, where the blue line's crossing above the orange signal at 0.0037, and the DIF-DEA lines are positive at 0.0493 and 0.0456. Translation, momentum shifting from A to let's go, even as the awesome oscillator, those blue-orange bars, dips negative at minus 0.0791. It's like XRP's the underdog in a rocky montage, taking punches but gearing up for the comeback KO. Down below, the RSI at 46.0394 is smack in neutral territory. Not oversold enough for a mercy bounce, but far from overbought exhaustion. That's gold for swing traders. Room to run without immediate reversal risk. Volumes MA, 5-period at 21.08M. 10-period at 27. 97M is climbing, syncing with those orange volume bars spiking on down days. Smart money's loading dips while retail freaks out. Williams %R, not shown directly, but the stochastic vibes scream, buy the fear at these levels. Overall, this chart's painting a resilient warrior. Short-term pain from broader market jitters, hello. Bitcoin wobbles, but the technicals are aligning for XRP to flex its Ripple-powered utility in cross-border payments. Remember, with regulatory wins stacking up and banks eyeing XRP for trillions in flows, this dips your VIP entry. Now for the part you're all here for, my price predictions. Straight fire and grounded in the data. Short term over the next 14 days. I'm eyeing a rebound to $2.70. $2.85 if we hold $2.40 support. That's a quick 10 to 15% pop, fueled by that MACD crossover and volume uptick. Break $2.55 decisively, and we're testing $3 by month's end, especially if Fed rate cut whispers turn into roars. But play it real. A slip under $2.35 could drag us to $2.20 for a flushout, so set those stops, fam. Zooming out to end of 2025. Bull case hits $3.30, $3.70. Riding ETF buzz and Ripple's swell event momentum. Think 35 to 50% upside from here, as adoption explodes in emerging markets. Base case, steady grind to $2.90 if consolidation holds. Bear $2.20 floor if macro headwinds bite, but I ain't betting on that. Into 2026, this is where XRP shines. America, with clearer US regs post-sex saga and partnerships stacking, BlackRock's already nodding. I'm calling $4.50 by mid-year, potentially stretching to $5.50 if DEX activity keeps surging like it has since May. Long-term visionary mode by 2030. $9.15 ain't crazy if XRP captures even 5% of global remittances. That's life-changing alpha for early holders. These aren't moonshots. They're backed by on-chain metrics, analyst consensus from CoinCodex and Changelly, and Ripple's real-world grind. XRP's not just surviving. It's evolving into the swift killer we always knew it could be. If you're hodling, stack more on this weakness. Trading, scalp those EMA bounces. Drop your thoughts below, bullish or waiting for $3. Hit like if this fired you up. Subscribe for daily charts, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out, stay savage in the markets.